Workers at the Ministry of Women Affairs broke into wild jubilation and danced with excitement upon hearing the news of the Minister for Women Affairs, Uju Kennedy-Ohaneye's dismissal during President Bola Tinubu's cabinet reshuffle on Wednesday. In a video shared on X by Abubakar Siddiq Usman, a chieftain of the All Progressive Congress (APC), the workers could be seen dancing and shouting in their office corridors. Chants of "finally" could be heard as they celebrate the minister's exit. Kennedy-Ohaneye was in charge of the ministry until Tinubu removed her in a cabinet reshuffle on Wednesday. She was among 5 ministers who were sacked during the Federal Executive Council meeting. Others are Lola Adejohn, Minister of Tourism; Jemila Bill Ibrahim, Minister of Youth Development; Tahir Maman, Minister of Education; and Abdullahi Mohammed Gwazo, Minister of State, Housing and Urban Development. While the reason for her dismissal wasn't disclosed, Daily Trust gathered that during her days in office, she threatened to sue the United Nations over funds she alleged were mismanaged. In August, the former Minister of Women Affairs disrupted 2 separate events organized without her permission in Abuja. In May, she filed a suit against the Speaker of Niger State House of Assembly, Abdulmalik Sarkindaji, following his decision to marry off 100 orphans from his constituency as part of measures to alleviate their suffering. She later withdrew the suit and said the ministry and the traditional rulers were already investigating the age of the girls to ascertain if they were within the stipulated age for marriage. She also suggested that children should be employed in producing everyday items like toothpicks, matchboxes, and cotton to expedite urban development. She was consequently accused of endorsing child labor, which she denied, saying she only meant to empower schoolgirls with vocational training. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for one real-time update, breaking news, and exclusive contents.